That's good.
Great.
So do you want to use open close or pick a different
Use
word?
FBI open. Oh, does it need to be one word?
It can be one word with multiple syllable, but not too simple, like go. That's too simple.
Well, FBI open up.
Just FBI.
This one only supports 1 second. So
Extraordinary.
FBI open up.
No, that's too fast. Don't
pick
worry.
two
Why?
words. Let's pick 2 words.
Sassy baka.
Open up.
Huh?
Open up.
Extraordinary.
Open up. Okay, good. And
No, say FBI.
close down.
Yeah, close down.
Okay. So, okay, I want to start with Weidong.
Oh, cool. Yay.
Okay. So, when I click this audio sample, you have 1 second to say open up.
Okay. Open up.
We
Yay.
That's good. Yeah, maybe a little bit louder. Let me put this open up. Or let's still do open close. Yeah. Let's try it again.
Okay.
So when I click it and when it says start recording, you say
Okay.
open up.
Open up. But dang, I don't think you got
Good.
all of it. Yeah, I didn't get all of it.
Why don't you use commercial audio synthesizers? Wouldn't they be much more accurate than having to do through this kind of inefficient method?
Try again.
They would only work if you sound like a robot.
Open up.
Okay, much better.
Open up.
Audio
Good,
synthesizer
good.
would only work if you sound like a
Okay.
robot.
Oh, do I go to do it again?
What do you mean?
Do
Audio
close- do
synthesizer is
close
okay.
down.
Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah, to close down.
Then it'll only understand.
Close down.
No. What
Close down. Oh, man.
That's good.
Google Translate.
Very
Wait,
good.
Type in the microphone. And...
Okay, now you do yourself. Maybe do 3 each.
Oh.
Yeah.
Close down. Close down. Dang it, keep running. Okay. So is this good for me?
Do 3 each.
Oh, sure. Open up. Open up. Open. Close down. Close down. Oh, this is close.
That's close. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Okay,
You
Rick.
can go down.
Your turn.
Open up. Open up. Open up. Close down. Close down. Close down. Close down.
What happens if we have one sample of bad data where we just say FBI?
You don't try to beat it out. Noise.
That's
Can I do it?
What do you just
Ow.
Wait, what do you do?
I got a splinter.
You
No,
press
no.
add audio. No, not yet. Press audio. Add audio. Sample. Then you say open up or clear down.
FBI.
Open up.
No, remove that. Remove that.
Why?
It's
I like it.
Fine to have
No,
noise.
it's gonna be.
What happens if we have noise in here?
Close down.
Yeah.
Stop,
Don't
Rick.
beat it out as noise
It's gonna be so bad.
No, it's just
Why is
close.
he
It's
going
just
so deep?
What?
Why is he going to
FBI, open up.
what the heck?
Wait, no, that's two. That's FBI. Open up. Open. Oh wait.
Remove.
You need to be Batman.
Open up.
Embody the Britishness. British.
Close
embody
down.
the Britishness
English is
Wait.
slow.
in your
So let's
blood.
first start with some good samples, okay?
Yeah,
Let's
so-
make sure it works first.
Embody the rod.
Close down.
Good example. Good British sentence.
Open. Wait, that's open. That's not. That's
Embody the rod.
Zero, just click open then.
open up. Open. Close down. Okay, now Batman should work.
Batman.
You're done.
We need Batman.
Wait.
Here we go. Batman support.
What's the next
Eric, you
turn?
can do it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Open up. Open up. Open up. Okay. Close down. Close down. Close down.
Oh, different emphasis.
Yes. Back.
Where?
I didn't. I said back.
Ah, my bad. English is hard.
Might be.
Yes.
Might be.
Open up. Open up. Open up. Wait, we should use Google Translate too.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Let's do the Google Translate.
Stop talking in Chinese.
Close down. Close down. Close down. I do not sound like a robot.
You want to do that? Okay,
Open
ready?
up.
Oh, wait. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Open up.
Wait, why is it
Slow. Why make it slow?
Why was it
Ready?
so slow?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Open up.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Close down.
Okay, 以上 have you done that?
How much somebody else do it? How much somebody else do it?
FBI.
Okay.
Okay.
Click open and close.
Yeah, I think you just go through everyone and
FBI will arrest you.
make sure. Yeah.
No, if I just type in F.
Go. Come on.
Yeah.
My voice is
No, look at the
I don't
recommendation.
care.
unique.
This is an openly threatening. Yes.
Okay, what do I press? Do we just press add audio?
Yeah,
Press
press
this one.
add audio sample.
Open up. And then do we just press it again?
Yeah, those 3 each.
Open up. Open up. Close down. Close down. Close down.
Okay, when you choose a tab, if I understand this even remotely. Oh, this is close, right?
Oh, does it go by what's most recent? Okay.
Yes. It's
Okay, I guess I had to manually
Repeat
hit
first.
close.
It's a good drawing. But like, why are you? But why do you need
Nope,
this?
this is very.
Though? This is for school. You don't have to draw any of this. You're using
Okay,
computer for these puzzles. We need to use paper and pen.
so did everyone try?
Oh, Fiona.
Fiona?
Yes, we need a.
We need your voice.
Inclusive voice.
Yeah.
To be represented.
That's right.
Your
Yeah.
computer on top of mine, your computer on top of all the other computers.
Just like close the
Computer superiority. Electronic supremacy.
So you click the add audio sample, and after that you have 1 second to say open up or close down. So that's the phrase we choose. If we can try this one. After click this one, you say open up.
Okay. Open up. Open up.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah.
Open up. Open up.
Okay. Good.
It's not.
Yeah. Maybe let's do 2 more open up and
Okay.
3 more close down.
Open up. Open up. Close down. Close down. Close down. Did it be louder than that? Close down.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah, let's go and test this new AI wiki whack on the ball. Yes.
What does it do next?
Me, Trevin.
I'm going to train the model and put into the
How long does it take to train?
device.
Why don't you just do it?
Follow the text you shared.
How dare you? Open up.
Share.
What's that?
Let's go and use this new strange
Wait, guys, which one was Eric's seat?
innovative technology. That one might be.
Would not recommend.
Why?
Okay. Yeah. You guys can take a look. Whenever I click the train model, okay, and it will train it. So looking at the question that if we have some bad samples, what will happen, right?
Like FBI.
So in that case, the model tries to like split the samples into 2, right? Based on the features. If we have some really bad samples, the model will not do well. That its accuracy metric will be pretty bad. Like normally, when we say open, close, those are pretty much distinguishable, and its accuracy can be like 99.9 or even 1 or 100%. And this line is 98.86. It's not bad. That means our label are pretty bad, pretty good quality. Okay, so let's try
What's
this
the
one.
splitting ratio? What's
It's
the
a
splitting
ratio.
No, I'm aware it's a ratio, but what's the ratio of training to testing data, or validation to training to testing? What's the
Oh, that's
ratio?
good. Looks like you have some knowledge on machine learning. Okay.
I think it's
So for this small set, we don't actually have the training set and validation set. Okay? Just one set.
That's not good, is it? That's not good. Yeah, but like if they only have but if they only have one set, the issue though is that you get the issue where you're testing using your trained data. So as a result,
Just
feelings.
I'm just analyzing.
connect to the MCU. I see my device here,
Damage.
and I first upload the model. Yeah, it takes a minute.
All right, come on.
Override. Okay, we'll be done in a minute. And I just write the file here.
You can press shift enter, I think, to go
Sending
and
the
manually
code.
That's right. Yeah,
You're
looks like
repeating orders.
you've done this before, huh? Okay.
I've
Okay,
done
done.
this before. No.
Okay, now we have the new model. Open up. No.
We have not.
Really?
No, this is the machine learning.
Close down.
You have to turn it off. Make sure it loads the new model.
Python has notebooks.
No, that is called Python notebook. Like that
Close
is
down.
It's a different thing.
TensorFlow.
Open up.
TensorFlow.
Yeah,
Close
I've
down.
used it before.
Open up.
I'm asking you.
Does this work?
Close down.
Really?
It doesn't work.
You're
That's
asking
pretty
for
common these
that.
days.
Okay, let's test.
It's not an accent. It's my genuine voice.
Close down. Open up. Close down.
Open up.
Works for me.
Close down.
Why?
Open up. Open. Open up.
Open up.
Okay.
Open up.
Louder.
Open up. Open up.
Close down.
It said
It's
close.
detected
It's
it.
just not closing.
Well, maybe your British accent. is
The
just
servo's
different.
Close down. It's not trained, even trained with my voice.
You probably overfitted.
It cannot recognize the Indian accent.
I don't think.
British.
Okay, this is America. Like, let's see.
Open up. Like, close down, right?
Close down.
Okay, close down.
Okay, that works.
Open up. Close down.
Try your
Oh,
British accent.
It works
I just have to
regular.
be calm.
No, it's
No,
good.
try to use your
Open up. Close down.
Do your illusion right here.
Oh my
Open
God.
up.
It's
It doesn't work.
British.
It doesn't use the British
Okay.
accent. No way.
Oh wait.
Oh wait.
Yeah, apparently, it's just a small device with a small model, so you're
Open up.
expected to
Close
say
down.
it's not working.
Open up. Close down. Oh God.
Open up.
Can you guys
Close
it in
down.
the camera? Put it in that camera. Press the
Okay.
camera.
Wait, the camera's on.
I don't
Open up.
believe so.
Close down.
Open up. Close down. FBI, open up.
FBI close down.
Ah, it works.
Open up.
Open up.
Close down. Wait, look.
Open up. Open up.
Open up. Open up.
Yeah, let's go.
Even though it's not in the Chinese.
Wait, wait, look.
Yeah,
look,
even
look.
my voice wasn't used as loud.
Open up.
Accents are so
Close
You can
down.
generalize to some
Oh, wait.
extent.
Yeah.
Open up.
Open up.
Close down.
Oh yeah.
Wait,
Okay.
Open up.
oh, it works.
Okay. I think that's pretty much okay. So I want to use the last few minutes go through some details.
Wait, 1 second.
Close down, open up, close down, open up, close down, open up, close down, open up.
Yeah, we can
close
take
down,
this
open
aside
up.
and.
Overwhelming.
Damn it.
Of course.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. For the recording purpose, maybe just do a present here. Right. So basically, there are two aspects of this thing, right? One is how the speech model actually gets executed in the on the small device, right? Well, what are the software involved? Okay.
Mandelbrot.
I'm an NPC.
Okay. So for this model that's trained, it's actually not trained on the voice, but actually trained on the image. What does that mean? Is we know the voice file is basically a waveform, right? Like whatever you say, you talk. It's actually the sound wave, which has different frequencies, right? So what happens in this device is it captures that sound wave and turns that sound wave into a spectrogram, like using the FFT, fast Fourier transformation, to go from the sound wave to spectrogram. And then we turn that spectrogram into a image, okay? And then train a convolutional neural network on that small image to detect the words. Like in my slides, I say dark, bright, but we just now try to open up and close down. Okay. So yeah, some detail here is for this one, the microphone use the I2S interface, and the training part is done using TensorFlow.js in browser. Because we have so few samples, it can be done like pretty fast within like 20 seconds. And for this microchip, it actually runs Python. It's a version called MicroPython, which is pretty neat. Yeah, you don't have to write C++ code or even like no assembler, just Python. Okay, so the first part. The second is, as I originally mentioned, is normally for deep learning model, we need tens of thousands of samples to really train a good model. But just now we just have like 6 samples each person, and we get some results. I mean, not super good, but it works, right? So what happens here is I use the transfer learning, something called transfer learning here, which means the model has 2 parts. The first part is called the base model. So that base model is trained using a very large data set. It's called Google Speech Command data set, which I think has 60,000 samples. So we first train that model using that 60,000 samples or even more. And that sample has all those cool convolutional network stuff with convolution layer, pooling layer, lots of like layers, or the review layers. And all the way up to the top portion where it degenerates from the spectrogram image into some features, and that feature is very voice specific. And then the next thing I did is to get rid of the top layer from the base model, and retrain that top layer, only the top layer with our voice, everyone's voice here. And because it's only that top layer to train the model, that top layer is a softmax layer. Does anyone know softmax? What is softmax? Does anyone know linear regression?
Yes.
I sort of do.
It's like it.
So like used to find the best equation.
That's right. Linear regression is basically one-dimensional combination of you have x, y, x1, x2, x3, x4, right? And you have one-dimensional combination of all those x. Those x are like features, right? And softmax is, you can view that way. Softmax is basically a vector version of linear regression. Okay, so the output is not a single value; it's a vector. Okay.
Yeah, you said something about training a top layer from Google, and then
from the Google base model.
Yeah. And then you train the bottom layer, and then we train the top layer again. I got a bit confused there.
Okay, so the Google base model has multiple layers. It has the same convolution layer, pooling layer, review layer, all those layers. And the top portion of that model is a softmax layer. So basically to combine all those internal features into the eventual classifier to classify which command we were seeing. So what I did is the Google Speech Command has like 30 commands each. They have stop, forward, backward, okay, those specific words. So what happens here is we get rid of that top portion, that top softmax layer, but keep all those bottom layers, and just retrain the top portion. Okay, yeah. So top portion because it's only 700 features, and the output is only 3 values. Right? Either open up, close down, or other. Yeah, so that can be done fast. Okay. That's pretty much about this TensorFlow thing, and I don't have to see this one. Okay. Yeah, if you guys have interest, I can share you the link of this notebook and the web page of how we train the model, and you can pretty easily get this device. I said it's like $10 a piece.
Oh, that's cheap.
Yeah, pretty good.
Can we use that in FTC?
Probably.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think it's
The
too
reliability is a little questionable at times in a competition where second matters.
No,
Imagine if
but
your
what if we
opponent
pick
yelled out.
7 of these and we completely eliminate error because we can get 7 of these with the cost of 1 axon servo.
Okay, but then you get
Okay,
into the
I think
issue
we're done
where-
here.
Okay, but then you get into the issue where what if other people say your test code during the competition? They're not illegal to just yell during the competition.
self-destruct.
Ah, yes, go boom.
Okay.
Stop
We have to
here.
get really close to it.